In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the I2C LCD module for Arduino. So let's get started. I'm going to use this LCD and this Arduino that I received in this Arduino kit from MicePlay. Link in the description if you are interested. This is the back of the LCD. First, let's talk about the wiring. You can see here we have ground and VCC. This is the ground pin and the 5-volt pin. Next to that is the SDA, that is the third orange line, and that is the data line. The very last one is the SCL, and that is the yellow wire here. This is the clock line here. These will go to the Arduino. This screw here, the blue plastic screw, this is to adjust the back lid brightness. And here is the green jumper to turn on and off the backlit for the LCD. Now, let me show you the wiring on the Arduino. Here we have the 5-volt and the ground, and let's turn this way so you can see. These are the 5-volt and the ground, and here we have the SCL and the SDA. These are the yellow and the orange wires. Now let's upload the code and see how this works. I've uploaded my code, so let me turn this on and show you how it works. So you can see here you have 2 rows. If you can see these tiny rectangulars or squares, there are 2 rows of them. There are 16 on each row. So that's the characters limit. You can see here there are 16 on the first row and 16 on the second row. You can probably see them more visible here on this empty section. And that's the character limit. So again, 16 by 2. Now let's go ahead and read or display something more useful. I've connected a distance sensor to the Arduino, which I received in the same Arduino kit. Now let me put my hand here, turn this on, and show you how this works. I'm reading the distance between my hand and the distance sensor, then displaying that on the LCD. You can see if my hand moves, I get a different distance reading based on the distance between my hand and the sensor, and the distance should be in inches. If I remove my hand, you can see that the distance goes up. So I do have tons of videos showing how to use a distance sensor with Arduino. I recommend you check those out. In addition, the user manual and the code will be linked in the description. This is it for this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.